In Sweden, Scandinavia, we have traditions, thinking, take care of energy. So we actually start even as we are a child thinking that way. My name is Martin Paulson, working here as managing director.
My name is Åke Kallstrand and I am R&D director at Megtec Dürr in Gothenburg.
Sustainability means simple things that we shall take care of resources we have on Earth.
The worst thing is not what we consume, the worst thing is what we throw away in different ways. Yeah, the situation in Europe in general has been that the last maybe 10 years it has not been allowed to put biological waste on landfills anymore. It also resulted that the drained gas out of the landfill will decrease in quality. You cannot burn that methane anymore. The climate effect of methane that is released from the landfill, that's more than 100 times as bad as carbon dioxide, which means that the effect is tremendous if you can reduce the methane and turn it over to carbon dioxide.
So that's how it started.
We saw the possibility to use a oxidizer. You have a flameless oxidation and it has a very high thermal efficiency which made it possible to run on very low concentrations.
To tell the client we can actually also link up the system to heat houses in the small village of Visby.
It was a great moment when you saw that you had calculated right and you actually got the hot water coming out in the amount we had expected.
That we actually could extend the lifetime of operating the plant for more than 30 years. The team has done a tremendous good job.
And we saw that this problem is not just related to this customer, it's many landfills. Every town has a few landfills in whole Europe, and we can oxidize them and we can do something with the energy in the future.
You cannot do everything. You need to have a good team. But together we make good results.
Dürr Megtec means for me sustainability, teamwork and hard work.
Myself, including the team, is very proud of this prize. Thank you very much.